So this tricycle can transport 200 chickens.
Yeah.
So 50, 50, 50, and then 50. So in total 200 chickens. Here it's 30 chicken broiler and then regular chickens. Yeah, so it's been interesting how the market is, how the chickens are being marketed in the street of Roxas, Manong Rodrigo. So, geez, and
Hey!
good cutting. So these chickens, the big ones, they lay brown eggs. Brown eggs, yes. And then these laid white eggs, yes. So these are quite big. They also sell for 120 peso or 110 peso.
350
Oh, so these are 350 peso, and these are per head or per chicken, and then these are 110, 120 peso per chicken.
140.
Right. And of course, Sospera, of course, Sospera also sells chicken. Jasper. Okay, Jasper. So you buy from the same place. So these are also what, brown eggs, and these are 2-year-old chickens. And it's 120 peso per head per chicken also. Right. So what do you do with the chicken when you come home at night? Nagawid ka ti terapi. What happens with the chicken? Agawid ka terapi. Dagitoy manok, irwar mo ano ito latan. Stay. Yes. So at night when they go home, the chicken stays in the cage and then brought to the market again the following day. So it's important that they're fed and watered to keep them alive during the night, and then come back to the market the following day. So how long does it take you to sell the chickens? Manong aldaw nga no kaspagarigan 200 nga manok, manong aldaw nga may lakom.
1 days lang.
1 days?
Parparking na kami natin. Pinakatay.
So it takes Jasper 1 day to sell 200 chickens. Wow, that's a lot of chickens per day. Where do you get the chickens? Pagalalaan ti dagiti manong ilaklakom. Where do you buy the chickens to sell? Bulacan. Agapo di Bulacan.
Isabela.
And then so they come from Bulacan, they travel to Roxas, and then you buy them. So agapo di Bulacan, umayda to Roxas, ito ti panggatangan ti manok. So these chickens are from Bulacan, and they're transported by trucks, and then Jasper goes and buy them there somewhere, and then buy 200 chickens. And then how often yeah, kaspagrigan to no bigat na ilato matay mapangkaman jay kastan.
118.
118
Station.
118 station. So there's a station here, and Jasper goes there and then buy the chickens to sell. So Yeah.
Everyday bago. Parang parating na kami.
Okay. So, all right. That's cool. Good.
Eh, diklog na.
And then of course, these chickens lays eggs.
Yes.
And then what do you do with the chicken? What do you do with the eggs? Do you sell them? Yes. Lako yung dagato iklog. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So they sell the eggs to anybody. So fresh eggs. Fresh eggs. That's good. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll put it on YouTube.